Jetzt bin ich mit einer Freundin aus dem Europaparlament, die kommt aus Finnland. Und die dreht den Sirpa Petikainen. Also den zweiten Teil von Nummer ist ein bisschen kompliziert. Dafür wir kennen uns unter Vivian als Sirpa. Weil wir kennen uns schon seit langer Zeit. Sirpa als 10 Jahre Europa deputiert und ein von denen ganz Engagierten. Sie ist hauptsächlich engagiert auf alles, was Rechte und Werte anbelangt. Frauenrechte zum Beispiel. Wir heute Abend wollen wir aber über deren Rechte schwätzen. Das ist etwas, was draußen nicht bekannt ist. Mit 40 Jahren bekümmert sich die Europäische Gemeinschaft, die Europäische Union, das Wohlbefinden von den Tieren. Das hat mit Gesetzen schon angefangen, mit europäischen Gesetzen. 1974 ist das erste Gesetz über die Schlechte gekommen, und 1977 das erste Gesetz über den Transport. Die Gesetze sind natürlich immer nicht verbessert gehen, und es gehen auch Maßnahmen ergriffen, für dass die Gesetze so angewandt gehen, für dass die Tiere als Nutztiere nicht leiden und dass die anderen Tiere alle gut protegiert gehen. So, Sirpa speaks no Luxembourgish.
No.
No. And
I could understand as much that you could probably understand out of Finnish.
Oh, that will be very difficult, Sirpa. So we will speak English, and there will be subtitles in Luxembourgish for our audience.
That's
so
very nice.
You are the president now of the intergroup on animal welfare. What is this intergroup about? Who is sitting in this intergroup and what is it doing?
It has parliamentarians from different member states and different political parties. It's one of the biggest intergroups, and what it does, it tries to put forward initiatives to improve animal welfare in the European Union. The biggest target for this political term has been to put Commission to put forward the new animal welfare strategy and to start preparing animal framework law that it has promised already. And then subject by subject, lot of issues from rabbits to horses and from fishes to circus animals and test animals to pets.
I have already explained to our audience that we have European laws on animal welfare since a very long time, on slaughtering 74, 77 on transport, but that was the infancy. Now, how are these animals protected so that they do not suffer in today's legislation?
Well, let's say that there are two issues. The first issue is that while this legislation has progressed bit by bit. We have actually quite good legislation in some fields when it comes to test animals or, for example, production animals. But then again, we don't have this kind of a framework legislation I was referring to. And then if you just don't happen to have a legislation, let's say, about cats and dogs, the Commission doesn't have, the EU doesn't have the means to intervene in Romanian slaughtering of dogs or the puppy factories that are
terrible
growing.
thing.
Terrible thing that is growing all over the Europe. Or then, for example, dairy cows. And it would be much easier to have
dairy cows is important for Luxembourg. We have many, many dairy cows, but those are protected, aren't they?
They are protected effectively on national legislation, but not sufficiently on EU level. And that we would need to require enough adequate possibility for them to move. Well, they have the right to get out, but then not to be clutched from the heads, and then a bit of breeding issues, I hope, and I'm sure not in Luxembourg.
No, Luxembourg farmers know that they have to treat their cows well if they want to have good milk and good meat. It's true. And Luxembourgers are very sensitive on these matters. If they would find out that there is mistreating of animals, there would be a petition going on or letters to the editors. So Luxembourgers are very sensitive on that matter.
This is very good, and I encourage all people who are viewing this video to be active not only in Luxembourg but in the EU, because we have very many good member states, for example, Great Britain that plans to leave EU, that are effective on legislation. And then in some other parts, they are
on legislation which is not so favorable.
Yes, and that is another a bit of aching point. That is the implementation. Some of the member states do not implement very well the legislation. And one example about that is, for example, the transport of living animals and whether the time limits are really supervised and the proper possibilities for feeding and especially for drinking is provided.
Aren't you working on a common supervisory system so that the implementation in all member states is not only supervised by national authorities but by a European authority?
Exactly, and this is what we are lacking. And actually there's quite a number of MEPs from this intergroup that initiated that we should have a special committee at the moment in the European Parliament to look after what is the situation on transport of living animals, because the information and the data what we get from member states is very varied and it's very difficult to compare. And in some parts it works very well, and in some parts you see these horrible stories you once in a while see in TV, half-dead animals and,
terrible, yes,
and hurt and can be sitting 12 hours in the heat without any drink or anything. And of course the quality of the meat is suffering for that
if you look at the very concrete things, but the suffering of the animals is something we should not accept. And by the way, I think that also in the European treaties the welfare of the animals is included, so it is also a matter of treaties.
It is, and there now when we had the newest treaty change, there was a big principle change, because now it says in the treaty, in Lisbon Treaty, that animals are sentient beings, and it is EU's responsibility to take care of that they are treated as sentient beings. Before it only was avoiding suffering and pain. Now it is sentient being, and there's the liability to take care of the well-being of those animals. And this is once again one reason why we would need this kind of a framework legislation on all types of the animals.
Now you can be sure that the Luxembourgers will help you achieve this, because we have a population which is very sensitive on all kinds of animals. We love animals, cats and dogs and everything, but also I see how our farmers are very caring for their animals. And something I wanted to ask you, because in my long political life, once I was in this parliament a long time ago, we had this discussion about animal testing for cosmetics. I think this is forbidden now in our laboratories.
It's forbidden, it doesn't happen anymore in Europe, and what we are working as a next target is that we would have a global ban on testing of animals in cosmetics, and hopefully we get there.
Wait, because also there you see terrible images on TV sometimes how these animals have been tortured.
Plus the recent research shows it's not even effective, because when you test your mascara on the rat, you can get a good mascara for the rat, but it doesn't tell if you are going to get an allergy or I'm going to get an allergy.
And we do not want rat mascara, but female mascara. Exactly. Die Hotelieren wie Zirpa sich wirklich die Sache bekümmert. Und das ist wichtig für zu wissen, an dem Intergrupp, da sitzen nicht nur ein paar Leute, die ein bisschen extrem denken, zusammen. Da sitzen Deputierten aus allen politischen Parteien und aus allen Ländern zusammen, und sie probieren die Legislationen zu machen, die wir dann haben, für das wir so zusammenleben mit unseren Tieren, wie das soll, nämlich am Respekt, und dafür merci Sirpa.
Thank you, and thank you for working these issues. You are a good example of the fact that people that care about the animals, and if they care about the animals, they work for values and people too. So it's not a choice between, it's both.
Thank you.
Thank you.